All right, so we've learned some things in this lesson. Let's kind of put it all together and classify a data distribution. So how would you classify the following data set? Describe the type of distribution and the center of and spread of the data. So here's all the data right here. We could type that into our calculators, get some information, but first we want to make a histogram of the data. So here it is provided for you. Here's a histogram of the data. And then step 2, let's analyze the shape of the histogram. Is it symmetric? No, it is not. Is it skewed to the right or to the left? So what we notice is that it is skewed to the left. It is stretched in that negative direction. So the shape of the histogram is skewed left. Step 3, determine the center and spread of the data. Use the median and interquartile range. So here's the thing, is why aren't we going to use the mean? Well, when your data is skewed left, the mean is affected by that. The mean will be less than the median and the mode, so the mean ends up at a smaller value because it gets pulled down by these smaller data values down here. So we could type all of this data into our graphing calculator and find our 5-number summary. I will go ahead and do that for you. Our minimum value is 64. Our quartile 1, Q1, is 76. The median is 98. Q3, our quartile 3, is 115. And the maximum is 120. So we are asked to identify the median. Median is 98. And the interquartile range, the IQR, remember that is Q3 minus Q1. Our third quartile is 115 minus Q1, which is 76. So our interquartile range is 39. So just one thing to notice, if you notice Q3 is closer, Q3 right here, 115, is closer to the median than Q1. This is a characteristic of a distribution that is skewed left. So on the left side of the median, your data is going to be more spread out. So on the right side of your data, the higher side, you might have some values that are closer to the median. So conclusion, final statements. The distribution is skewed left. With a median (98) and interquartile range IQR of 39.